we're doing Cast Online. It's a new game that's new, apparently. So, Cinecass is going to be with us, I hope. So, these are my cats. This is Mitten, Oreo, Oliver, Shadow, Star, and Moonkit. So right now I'm going to show you things on this game. It's pretty cool. And I'm going to be Shadow for now. Let's hang on. Okay. Right now we're on. Alright. The green bar is our XP. If it goes to 100 or past it, you will level up. So right now I'm Shadow. That's how you run. That's your car attack. That's your hissing attack, I guess. It makes the enemy dizzy. Oh, by the way, when you're in this game, you always have to be aware of those. Because apparently, you actually get hurt like this. See? I got hurt. 10 damage on one car. So always be aware of those. So right now, I'm going in here. By the way, you have to buy these items in your house. Like I'm going to do with the TV. Oh, never mind, not the TV. Well, something like the TV. Oh, furnace. That's what I needed. By the way, I'm in the furnace. Woo! Or something. I don't actually know what it's called, but something like that. So right now, I'm going to show you things. Don't mind that. So, okay, that's glitching. So over there is the bison, and over there is the cougar boss. I know that. Over here is the shepherd. It's actually a German shepherd, but we all call it a shepherd boss. Over here is the crocodile. I will show you how to get to that. Over here is the bear, and that's it. So, I'm going to show you how to get to the cougar and the crocodile. It's basically the same thing, but different. So, let me just show you how to do this. Oh yeah, and soon I'm going to show you some amazing things as well. So, over here is the cougar boss. You can see it right there at the map, on the map. No, I'm not getting the rabbit this time. Oh shoot, I forgot the snakes in here. Oh man. Yeah, it's such a pain. Oh well. So, over here is the cougar. You can see it right there. That's the cougar boss. That's how much trouble it is, and boom. So now we're going out, and we're going to the crocodile. Just catching music. Running past. Oh, but I still got hurt. Actually, I'm going to kill these guys because I need them on my quest, as you can see. Oh, by the way, if you kill these things, the rabbit, hang on, I will show you. I will show you. Oh, I leveled up. That's amazing. Okay, I just need to kill one more rabbit. So if you hold on claw and you're near something that you can pick up, hold it and boom, you can pick them up. Amazing, right? And you can carry it all around. It's awesome. So let's just drop this thing and go. Because I don't need a rabbit with me. So, and now we're going to where the crocodile is. It's basically the same thing, but different. Let's go to this place. You will see that portal. It will lead to the sewer. And I'm guessing, And this is where you can find the crocodile. All you have to do is keep going straight, and boom, you find it. I'm going to be Moonkit. Because apparently, when you're a kitten, you can actually, die. You can actually die. Oh, and by the way, when I walked into Cassie's room and I said, "Hey mom, I'm pregnant." But apparently my mom says, "What? You have to be joking, right?" And apparently then I said, "No, I'm pregnant in my cat game." I mean, I cannot be pregnant when I'm this when I'm young. By the way, when I'm kidding, it looks like I'm hopping. Doesn't it look like I'm hopping, guys? Yeah, it looks like I'm hopping. So that's what I look like when I'm walking. Oh, by the way, when you, in this game is totally different when you breathe. Apparently, when 2 cats are at level 10 or 20, you get a baby. But this time, you actually, you will actually be a baby. Well, not be a baby, but you will be pregnant. Like the... Okay, I'm just going to get killed by one hit. Apparently, these two were pregnant. And her belly, and Star's belly was fat. Like chumpy, that kind of stuff. Because she was pregnant. And she was walking so slowly because she was holding a baby inside of her. I won't show you guys that today, but next time I will. So, I'm going to show you these amazing things. Well, here's these things, of course. So, right now, Moonkit is new. She's a male. Oh. Man, I messed up again. Okay, Moonkit is now a male. She's supposed to be a female, but I guess not. So, apparently, these are the skins that you can be. When you are a kitty. Kitty. And these are the outfits that you can also wear. Then this. And boom. That's Moonkit. Moonkit's supposed to be a female, but I guess not. Oh well, I messed up again. Oh well, Moonkit can be a boy or a girl's name, I guess. So, right now, I'm going to multiplayer. Show you guys some things, at least. Okay, as you can see, I'm in a clan. You can only be in some clans. Oh. Well, apparently you can be a light, you can be wild, you can be dark, those kind of clans. And right now I'm going to change my name to Moonkit, because that is my cat's name. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going back to single player, be Shadow one time, and go to Wild Clan. Because I really like clans, that kind of stuff. Hopefully I don't die. But you can't get killed by other people when you're in clans. And also, be careful with a certain kind of hacker. Apparently, there's a hacker on, and her levels, like, the only numbers that you can see is 6.9. That's her level that we can only see. It's tough to beat that kind of level. But apparently, she can't kill herself. And apparently, people are surprised that she killed herself. She never kills. No one else cannot kill her, but she can only kill herself. That's amazing. Apparently, she plays Dog Sim Online as well. I met her sometimes in Dog Sim Online. So yeah, this is light, wild, and dark. So I'm going to be in wild. And now let's go back and Moonkit. Oh yeah, in this game, you can just be a kitten. You don't need to have a friend to let you play in this game. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, Moonkit. Let's go, girl. Boy, sorry. I should have got a female bracket, but I didn't pay attention. Oh well. Okay, Moonkit. I guess there's going to be 2 brothers, because I wanted to name another one Rio, and I will, until Star gets to level 20. Okay, and these are the places that you can be at if you want. But I'm usually at USA East or USA West. I usually be at those 2 because they're kind of mostly English. So you can see in France, you can see these guys. Amy, huh? In this game, Amy and Mittens are mates. So be careful with that, okay? So let me see that I can find something that I like. Just the Crystal. Let's be with Crystal. Now, apparently in this game you can text people as well, same as Dragon Sim Online that I also play, and Dog Sim Online. Jassie's doing things out there. Oh, actually, I'm going out there right now. I don't really know that you can hear her or no. Oh, by the way, Cassidy. Cassidy, I'm recording.
I'm teaching Bailey how to stay. Sit!
She's not sitting.
She can sit.
There.
Sit.
Well,
Stay.
she's not sitting at all. I mean, she's sitting, but she's not staying.
I know. Sit. 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 Distracting her.
I know I am.
Cave.
It's not in my cave. No, it's not. Jeez, you crazy person.
Sit.
So yeah, you can see those guys in the map. Those are players. Let's see where they are.
Bailey, sit.
Okay, so it looks like they're near where the sewers is. So I'm going to teleport there and go where they are. By the way, that texting thing, that means you can text people. They will say hi, they will say mean stuff, like the F, I don't know why, and that kind of stuff, because they're angry. I don't really know that much. So, I'm going over here. You see someone, Crystal says nope. Nope. I don't know what she meant, but nope. But I'm going over here. Yeah? Oh, gate. Oh, that's what you meant. Okay. I'm going where these guys are. By the way, since I'm a little kitten, it's kind of hard for me to move fast. Oh, good. I'm kind of here. I'm here. Okay, I'm trying to catch up. Are these guys moving? Yeah, they kind of are, but at least I can move too. Oh man, it's eagles. See this guys. There's something in the water over there, as you can see where I'm pointing at. So yeah, that's Crystal. There's Crystal. There's, I can't tell. Yeah, there's those guys. Yeah, it almost looks like I'm hopping. Doesn't it look like I'm hopping still? Oh no. You see, when your energy runs out, you walk. I don't like that at all. So, I'm just going to go where they are, I guess. I wish I could jump, but it may be a lot faster. Oh, someone's already become my friend. By the way, if you want to know how you can become friends, you go to family, you do this, and you see, you can add friend. You can add friend. and that kind of stuff. By the way, when you're a kitten, you can actually drown in this. Oh, this is my hideaway away or something. My gosh, they run fast. It's because I'm a kitten. I wish I could jump in this game, but I can't. It would be a lot easier. Come on. Yeah, you can hear the water as well. Amazing, right? Now I'm trying my best to get where they are. But man, they move fast. Looks like they need shore. I'm not near the shore. I should be near the shore over here, maybe. But it's just gonna start running still. Whoa, it's almost like it's foggy here still. Cool. Wow, there's a lot of things in the map besides these cats. Okay, I'm still going. Oh, Eevee. Eevee joined the game. Ugh. Gosh. Come on. Man, if only kittens can go a little bit faster. And we can have the jump ability, but we don't. It's gonna be a lot difficult for me to show myself to cats. Where are they even going? Almost there. They're going to the sewers? Yeah, they're going to the sewers. Okay. And I'm going to say hi back. So, anyway, that's how you text people. Sometimes your game can lag and kick you out as well. Like times out. That kind of stuff. Sometimes I don't like it. Don't worry, we will still keep doing these videos if we can. And we're still trying to get a video camera so we can show our faces, so we can do face cam, that kind of stuff. Looks like they're going where the crocodile is. I don't know how much I can do since I'm only a kitten. But hey, kittens can still be useful. Even if they're still kittens, they can still be useful. I'm just walking along. By the way, when Shadow was a kitten, we went to the sewers and fight, and apparently some people let the crocodile be at 9 health. So I defeated it, and I've been level 8. What? Amazing, right, guys? So right now I'm going to the sewers over here now, because apparently they need help. Usually I don't let you do this thing, so it's alright. So right now I'm going in here. Are they coming? They're now dead. Man, they're fast. Well, I'm just gonna go with them. Okay, let's keep doing this. And boom, I'm here. That person is wearing the cat hat. Okay, now I'm going to go up here. Going with these guys. What's up? That's what that person said. By the way, this is actually real people playing these games. Some can be mean, some can kill you because they want to have fun. I don't know how that's fun killing people. But that's alright. By the way, always be aware of the vehicles because they can still kill you as your kitten. But oh, by the way, if you're pregnant, your cat will take about 4 or 3 damage to the enemy. Yeah, I know it's bad. Oh, if only. Only I can go fast, but I can't because I need to be at level 100 to beat them. Actually, I better get out the way fast before I get run over again. Like I almost did. Oh, looks like those guys are following me now. Oh, Evie is at looks like those guys are at the farm. And I'm going with them as well. Looks like they're waiting. Oh yeah, I forgot Evie's my friend. And they're both talking. You see, you can see that they are tracking now. Because it says up top. And now I finally caught up for once. Oh, shoot! Sorry guys, battery low. That way you still eat when you're fighting too. This is a lot useful. Then there. By the way, you can also get coins to get XP when you're doing quests. Amazing. I wonder if cats can hurt. No, they can't carry. But apparently this is cool. Anyway, if anyone wants to figure out how to be small, you can go ahead and go to his channel and see. Well guys, make sure you guys just subscribe and I will see you guys later. Bye bye!